To send Bitcoin on Google Pay, you will need to follow a few steps. First, you need to have a Google Pay account and a Bitcoin wallet that supports Google Pay. Currently, Google Pay does not directly support Bitcoin transactions, but you can use a third-party service to link your Bitcoin wallet to Google Pay. Start by setting up your Bitcoin wallet and ensuring it is funded with the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Next, you need to download and install a third-party app that allows you to link your Bitcoin wallet to Google Pay. Some popular options include BitPay and Coinbase. Once you have downloaded and installed the app, you will need to create an account and link your Bitcoin wallet to the app. This will usually involve providing your Bitcoin wallet address and other identifying information. After you have linked your Bitcoin wallet to the app, you can use the app to send Bitcoin to other users. To do this, open the app and select the Send option. Enter the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address and the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, and then confirm the transaction. It is also important to note that sending Bitcoin on Google Pay may incur transaction fees, which can vary depending on the app and the Bitcoin network. Additionally, Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so make sure you are sending Bitcoin to the correct address. In terms of best practices, it is always a good idea to use two-factor authentication to secure your Bitcoin wallet and Google Pay account. You should also only use reputable and trustworthy apps to link your Bitcoin wallet to Google Pay. And never share your Bitcoin wallet address or other sensitive information with anyone. Overall, sending Bitcoin on Google Pay requires a few extra steps, but it can be a convenient and secure way to make transactions. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and easily send Bitcoin using Google Pay.